Okay, you see these little birds? Little birds everywhere? Check out where they fly into. That was scary. Oh, sorry. I'm just checking out the birds.
Oh yeah, they're pretty cool.
Do you know what they're called?
Those are swallows. I think they're mud swallows.
Mud swallows. And they just go in and out of these little holes. Of course, while I'm here, they're not gonna go in. Maybe I'm standing too close. But they're all over the skies. I didn't know they live in the like mud, dirt. They make so many holes in there. What just went in? There's a whole bunch. One just came out, so I missed it. Very cool. It is a storm. It's like thunder or something. But yeah, that's where they live.